मॅम इको येतोय.
हॅलो. हॅलो. नाव चेकिंग.
येस मॅम.
ओके फाइन. So last lecture we have started with the operations on sets. In that we have seen different operations. First operation is the intersection operation. So what we have seen in intersection operation? Has anybody remember what is the intersection operation? Okay, so if there are two different sets A and B, then intersection between those two is represented by A intersection B. Because a set of
Hello, ma'am.
elements. Hello. Yes.
Your your voice is not clearly audible.
इको येतोय मॅम.
Let me check. Hello. Now checking. Hello. Is it audible now? Hello. 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 Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first we have seen first operation as a intersection operation. So intersection between two sets A and B is represented as A intersection B. Means set of elements those are common between A and B. Okay. After that, we have seen second operation as a union operation. So union is what? For any two sets A and B, the union between these two sets is represented as A union B. This was a set of elements those belongs to either set A or in set B or in both A and B. After that, we have seen relative complement. If there are two different sets A and B, then relative complement of B in A is written as A minus B. So what is the meaning of this operation? This set of elements, those are present in A, that is in set A, but not in B. That is given by relative complement, and that is represented by A minus B. After that, we will say what is the absolute complement. So, complement of any set with respect to universal set E is called as absolute complement. So, suppose there is one set A. If you want to find out absolute complement for this set A, that is given by E minus A. So, here E is a universal set. After that, now today we have to see the last operation on this set, that is symmetric difference or Boolean sum. So again, if there are two different sets A and B, then the symmetric difference or Boolean sum of A and B is given by A plus B. So here one formula is given.
Hello.
Hello, yes,
Ma'am, your sound is not clear.
why? What is the problem? Hello,
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
what is the problem? Not clear, so what is happening there?
Echo is the ma'am.
Echo. Hello, hello. Hello. Now check it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So today we have to see symmetric difference operation. So this symmetric there are two different sets A and B. Then symmetric difference is represented as A plus B. So this is equals to A minus B union B minus A. Again we have seen what is this minus operation. So this minus operation is a relative complement. So again we have to find out the set of elements those are present in A but not in B. Union all the elements those are present in B but not in A. So this symmetric difference is also called as exclusive disjunction and that is represented by this symbol. Now we have to see some formulas. So here A plus B is equals to B plus A. First property that we can call this property as a commutative property. Again, A plus B plus C, this is equals to A plus B plus C. So this property is called as associative property. So these properties are satisfied by this symmetric difference. Again, A plus phi, this is equals to A because phi means what? Empty set. That's why A plus phi is equals to A. Again, A plus A is equals to phi because first we have to convert this formula that is A plus A into equivalent formula as A minus A union A minus A. So this becomes phi. Again we have to prove all these statements. So A plus B is equals to A intersection negation of B union B intersection negation of A. Now we have to prove this statement A plus phi is equals to A. So how we can write the proof for this statement? Consider any element x. So first we have to consider that x belongs to A plus phi. Okay. So again write the x belongs to as it is. Now we have to apply the formula for A plus phi. So what is meaning of A plus phi? First, we can write A minus phi union phi minus A. Okay. So, what is meaning of A minus phi? A minus phi means all the elements those are present in A but not in phi. So, that is represented here for element x as x belongs to A and x does not belong to phi. Okay. This is one part. Again, union or we can say or phi minus A. So what is meaning of 5 minus a? X belongs to 5 and X does not belongs to A. So here we have written definition for A plus 5. Okay. Now check first bracket X belongs to A and X does not belong to 5. That we have written here. And second, or X belongs to 5 and X does not belong to A. So here there should be X belongs to 5. By mistake I have written here X does not belong to 5, but that is incorrect. X belongs to 5 is correct. X belongs to 5 and X does not belong to A. Okay. So is there any symbol which belongs to 5 and does not belong to A? No, there will not be any element which belongs to 5 because 5 is an empty set. That's why value for this bracket is F. Okay. So just one bracket is remaining. And that bracket says X belongs to A and X does not belong to 5. This one we can consider. Again, this is the empty set. So we can just consider X belongs to A. So X belongs to A or F. So what is the value for any bracket or F? That value is depend upon this bracket only. That's why its final answer is X belongs to A. So in this way we can prove that A plus 5 is equals to a member of set. So again, likewise, we have to prove A plus A is equals to 5. So again, for this, we have to consider any element X as X belongs to A plus A. So again, here we have to apply the definition for A plus A. So A plus A, this is equivalent to so A plus A, this is equivalent to A minus A union A minus A. Okay. So again, its meaning is same as A minus A only because we have seen A union A. Others gives you answer as A only. Likewise, A minus A union A minus A. This is equivalent to A minus A only. Now we have to see what is the meaning of A minus A. So any element which belongs to set A and does not belong to set A. So there would not be any element which belong to that set as well as does not belong to that set. That's why answer for A plus A is equal to 5. Now next one is A plus B. So here we have to prove A plus B is equals to A intersection negation B union B intersection negation A. So again, we have to consider any element X and that belongs to A plus B. Okay. Now take this part X belongs to as it is. Now apply the definition for A plus B. Again, A plus B means what? The element which belongs to A and does not belong to B, or a element which belongs to B and does not belong to A. Okay. Now, what is meaning of this first bracket? X belongs to A and does not belong to B. This was A intersection negation B because that element does not belong to B. Again, we have to keep this all as it is. Now, X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. Means what? B intersection negation of A. So here we have proved this A plus B is equals to A intersection negation B or B intersection negation A. So likewise we can prove all these statements related with symmetric difference. So have you understood how we have written all these proofs? Hello? Are you getting this? Okay. Now here we have to solve some examples based on this set theory. So here one set is given and that set is containing elements from 1 to 10. That is, it is set of integers, you can see. Now from that, we have constructed three subsets. First subset is containing all the prime numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Then H is containing all the even numbers from 1 to 10. And P is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to solve all the questions based on this. Okay. So first question they have asked as G intersection H union P. So we have to find out what is the set of elements those will belongs to this given set. Okay. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to finalize what are the different elements belongs to G, H, and P is already given. So first, we have to finalize what are the different elements. Those can be belongs to G. So G is consist of all prime numbers. So we have to find out prime numbers from 1 to 10, and those numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is the set G. After that, we have to find out what is the set H. Okay. So H will consist of set of even numbers. So again, even numbers means what? Then it will include 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay. And P we can get from this question only. So whenever we have to find out the value for G intersection H union P, first of all we have to find the value for G intersection H. Okay. Now can you apply this intersection operation on these two sets G and H? What is the answer? What is meaning of this intersection operation? The elements those are common between G and H. Now check whether any element which is common between G and H. So what is the answer for this intersection operation? Which element is common? Question is very simple. Just we have to find a common element between G and H.
2, ma'am.
Okay. Just element 2 is there which is common between G and H. Okay. Now again we have to take its union with set P. Then only we can finalize the value for G intersection H union P. Now just we have to add this 2 in this set P. But in this set P already 2 is there. So 2 set 2 union set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever we have to take the union, if there is any repetition of element, we are going to write that element once. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer for first question. Now we have to find out the second G intersection P is complement. Okay. So do you have any idea how we can solve this? So first of all, we have to find out what is the value for G intersection P. Okay. So tell me, what would be the value for G intersection P? G is given here, P is here. So if you perform the intersection operation, then what you will get? 2, 3, and 5. Because these three elements are common between G and P. Now we have to take its complement. So how we can take the complement? Complement this word, whatever the set is given, we have to minus all these three elements from that set. Okay. Now, in the question, they have asked universal set is containing elements from 1 to 10. So this is our universal set. So from this set, we have to minus these three values. Then only we will get complement for G intersection P. So from 1 to 10, just remove this 2, 3, and 5. So whatever elements are there, that will give you complement for G intersection P. and those elements are 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now we have to take its union with H. So again, H is containing elements as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So take its union. Whenever there is any repetition of element, we have to take that element just once. So you will get answer as 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Okay. So likewise you have to solve the examples. So try for this next example and tell the answer. H complement intersection G union. So take 2 minutes and solve this example and tell me what answer you have got. Hello. Can you just tell me how to find out complement of H in order to solve this example? First of all, we have to find out H complement. So how to find this? Hello.
Ma'am, in a sequential complement, there will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Okay. So H complement means what? From this universal set E, to minus all the elements of H, and H is containing set of even numbers. So H complement will contain set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. That is correct. That will contain 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then we have to take its intersection with G union P. So G union P is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So we have to take now intersection. Because the elements, those are common between these two sets. So it will give you answer as 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now, next question. P union H union G, its complement, intersection G intersection H. So first of all, we have to find out the value for P union H union G. So what is common between all these three sets? Now check here, G, H, and P is here. So what is common? I think 2 is common between all three sets. Now is there another element? No. Only 2 is common between these three sets. So okay, no, they have asked here for union. So take the union of these three. G, E, and H. So if you take the union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Only 9 is not here. So in this operation P union H union G complement, you will get answer as 9, because the element which is not present in this union operation, it will give you its complement, and that element is 9. Now we have to take its intersection with G intersection H. Now check here what is the value for G intersection H, the elements which are common between G and H. And those elements, I think only one element is common, and that element is 2. Now 2 intersection 9. So what is the value? Its value is 5, because nothing is common between these two sets. So likewise, we can perform different operations on sets like union, intersection, and complement. Okay. So again, some examples are given here. Sets, four sets are given, and we have to find out A union B. Okay. So the elements, those are either in A or in B or in both A and B, those will be included in this union operation. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the answer for A union B. Again, next one is A union C. The elements, those are in A and C. That is, we have to find out, or we have to just merge these two sets as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B union C, combine the elements from B and C as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. B union D, combine the elements from set B and D as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now A union B union C. Now we have answer for B union C. So we have to take its union with set A. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever there is a repetition of element, we are going to count that repeated element only once. That's why this is the final answer. Now, next one is A union B intersection B union C. Now check what is the common between A union B. So, first we have to find out what is the answer for A union B. To combine the elements from these two sets as 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we have answer for B union C. That's it, B union C. Now check what is the common between these two sets. I think 4 is common, 4, 5, 8, 9. So these four elements are common between these two sets. So this will give you intersection between these two sets. Okay. So in next question, again they have given four sets and we have to find out what is the value for A minus C. So this minus operation is what? What is the meaning of this minus operation? We have discussed this. This operation is a relative complement. So can anybody tell how we can find out what are the different elements those are included in A minus C? So meaning of this A minus C is the elements those are present in set A but not in set C. That is A minus C. Now check. 4, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19 and 22. So these are the elements of set A. Now we have to find out such elements those are in A but not in C. If there is, if you consider element 13, 13 is present in C also. So we are not going to consider this element for A minus C. Okay. So final answer is again element 7. 7 is also part of C. So that is also we are not going to consider for A minus C. Just we have to find out all the elements those are present in set A and which are not present in set C. And those elements are 4, 10, 16, 19 and 22. Now, second question is B minus A. So B minus A is what? The elements those are present in B but not in A. 6. Now check 6. 6 is not included in A. That's why we are going to consider that is part of B minus A. Now check for next element 11. 11 is also not present in A. So that we are going to consider here for B minus A. Now 16. 16 is present in A also. That's why we are not going to consider this one for D minus A. Now next one is 21. That is not present in A. So we are going to consider that element. So D minus A will consist of 3 elements, 6, 11 and 21. Now next one is B minus B. So can you tell me what would be the elements for B minus B? We have to find out the elements. Those are in set B, but not in set B. Now check here. Nothing is common between B and B. So we can keep this set B as it is. And 6 elements, 16 and 21. Now next one is A minus B. So for this A minus B, we have to find out what is the common between A and B. Now, if you observe, 16 is common. So, we have to exclude that element 16 from set A. So, A minus B will contain 4, 7, 10, 13. So, 16 we are not going to consider because this is common between A and B, 19 and 22. So, this is the answer for A minus B. Now, last one is B minus B. So first of all, we have to find out, is there any element common between B and D? No, there is no such element. So we are going to consider this set B as it is 5, 9, 13, 17 and 20. Okay, so this is for relative complement of sets. Now, in the next question, they have asked, what is the cardinality of this set? Okay, so these kind of questions they may ask you for MCQ. So one set is given and that is containing 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have asked what is the cardinality. So cardinality means for the number of elements are in that set. So here only 4 elements are there. So cardinality of set A is represented by n of A. That is number of elements in set A. And those elements are 4. That's why its answer is 4. So we have to see some example based on symmetric difference or Boolean sum. Okay. So here in this question they have given 3 sets as A, B, C. Okay. And you have to find out what is the value for A plus B, B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus B plus C. Okay. So one by one we will solve it. First one is A plus B. So first of all we have to write definition for A plus B. So A plus B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. So this is formula we have seen earlier for symmetric difference or Boolean sum. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of A minus B? The elements, those are present in set A but not in B. So, common elements we have to find out and we have to remove those elements from set A. Okay. So, if you observe here, 2 is common between A and B. So, we have to remove that element 2 from set A. So, now A minus B will give you an answer as 3, 4. Okay. Only 2 elements are there. Union B minus A. Now, first set is B. So, we have to find out such elements. Those are present in B but not in A. So, again, whatever is common between B and A, we have to remove it from set B. So, here 2 is common between these two sets. That's why we have to remove these 2 from set B. Then you will get answer as 1. Set 1. Okay. Now we have to perform union operation on these two sets. So just we have to combine the elements as 1, 3 and 4. So this is the answer for A plus B. Have you understood? Hello? Are you getting this?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, next question they have asked to find the value for B plus C. So again, same formula we have to apply. So can you tell me how we can apply the definition for symmetric difference here? B plus C. This will be equivalent to which one? As we have applied here, A plus B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. Likewise, B plus C, this will be equivalent to B minus C union C minus B. Okay. So again we have to find out what would be the elements in B minus C. So B minus C, the elements those are present in B but not in C. But here there is no such element which is common between B and C. That's why we have to remove these elements from set B. So again we have to find out what would be the elements in B minus C. So again we have to apply the definition for symmetric difference. So again we have to apply B plus C equivalent to A minus B union C minus B. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have we seen this last operation? Last question? हा लास्टचा क्वेश्चन बघितलाय का आपण? नेटवर्क कनेक्शन होतं का तेव्हा? हॅलो. Have you understood these operations on sets?
No, ma'am.
For which operation you need repetition? Hello. Have you understood this Boolean sum plus operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain that.
Hello. Your voice is not clear. What you are saying? Repeat it once. Hello.
हाँ मैम
Yes,
रिपीट
ma'am.
करा
Yes.
रिपीट
Which one? Which question? For which question you want repetition? जोपर्यंत तुम्ही मला क्लिअरली सांगत नाही तोपर्यंत मला काही समजणार नाहीये तुम्हाला कळते की नाही. जर एखादा पॉइंट कळला नसेल तर क्लिअरली कसं सांगा. आय एम रेडी टू रिपीट इट. कळाले नाही कुठला पॉइंट नाही कळाला ते तर समजू दे ना मला. कोणतं ऑपरेशन समजलं नाहीये? हॅलो. So I will consider you have understood all.
Ma'am, repeat once again sixth question, ma'am.
Question number 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This one? Which part? Have you understood how to find out value for a plus b? Hello?
सुन गया.
Hmm? Hello? हा क्वेश्चन नाही समजले का?
अच्छा.
तुमचा आवाज क्लिअर येत नाहीये. Okay, I will repeat this question once again. So here three sets are given A, B, C, and we have to find out the values for A plus B, B plus C, A plus B plus C, and last one A plus B plus B plus C. Okay. So one by one we will solve it. First one is A plus B. So first of all we have to understand what is meaning of this plus operation. So A plus B, this is a symmetric difference or Boolean sum operation. And for that, we have seen formula is A minus B union B minus A. Okay. Before that, we have seen what is meaning of A minus B. So A minus B, this will give you elements. Those are present in set A, but not in set B. ठीक. आता इथे चेक करा आपल्याला असे एलिमेंट बघायचे आहेत जे सेट ए मध्ये आहेत पण बी मध्ये नाहीये. ठीक. आता ए आणि बी मध्ये कुठले एलिमेंट कॉमन आहे तो जर कन्सिडर केला तर तो दोघांमध्ये कॉमन आहे. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कन्सिडर दॅट एलिमेंट टू because we have to just find out the elements those are in set A only, not in set B. That's why this A minus B will give you answer as 3 and 4. Okay, set 3 and 4. Union B minus A. So again for this set B minus A, again we have to find out the elements those are in set B only, not in set A. So again, if you consider 1, now check whether 1 is present in E. No. So we are going to consider this one in set B minus A. Now next element is 2. So again check whether 2 is present in A. Yes, 2 is there. That's why we are not going to consider this element 2 for B minus A. Okay. So this will include just one element as 1. So again we have to perform union operation on these two sets as 1, 3 and 4. Union is what? Just we have to combine the elements from both groups. So this have you plus B साठी hello
मॅम तुमचा व्हॉइस ब्रेक होतोय.
break होतोय.
येस मॅम बंद झालेला मध्ये.
हा
जे ऑपरेशन समजलं का A plus B साठीचं
हा ते समजलं मॅम.
काय समजलं नाही ते सांगा. B plus C पण सेमच आहे. Just we have to consider set B and C here. हे समजलं का? 3 सेट असतील तर काय करायचं?
मॅम A plus B plus C ते समजावा मग.
हे ना? Okay. So here 3 sets are given. So we have to first finalize value for A plus B. Then we are going to solve this plus operation and second set is C. Okay. Now A plus B plus C. So here we have to apply the definition for Boolean sum. So A plus B minus C. Here we have considered this bracket as set 1 and this one is second set. So A plus B minus C union C minus A plus B. Those set are also considered here because we have already find out what is the value for A plus B. आता असे एलिमेंट फाइंड करायचे जे A plus B मध्ये आहे पण C मध्ये नाही आहे. That is the one part. Now check what are the elements for A plus B 1, 3 and 4 and C is containing 4, 5 and 6. Now whatever element is common between A plus B and C, we have to remove that element from A plus B. Okay. Now 4 is common. So we have to remove this element 4. So what is remaining now in A plus B? Set 1, 3. So that is written over here. Union. Now second part is C minus A plus B. And so the element those are present in C but not in A plus B. Now again we have to check. What is the common between these two sets? Element 4 is common. So we have to remove that element from first set. That is the पहिला set कुठला आहे? मायनस ऑपरेशनच्या आधीचा सेट. सो त्यामधनं तो इलेमेंट मायनस करायचा आहे किंवा रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे आणि जे कुठले इलेमेंट राहतात ते कन्सिडर करायचे. So just two elements are there, 5 and 6. Now we have to perform union operation on these two sets. So its final answer is 1, 3, 5, 6. Have you understood now? Hello? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
शेवटचं ऑपरेशन समजलं का? कसं केलं? A plus B plus B plus C. Again, we have to consider these two are same, and here is the Boolean sum operation. So again, we have to find out A plus B minus B plus C. This is the one bracket. Union B plus C minus A plus B. Okay. So A plus B minus B plus C. That's the meaning काय होणार आहे? The elements those are present in A plus B, but not in B plus C. Now check here. A plus B, this is containing 1, 3, 4. B plus C is containing 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now there is one element. There are two elements. Those are common between these two sets. And those elements are 1 and 4. So we have to remove these two elements from A plus B. So this will give you answer as set 3. Now next part is B plus C minus A plus B. पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला B plus C consider करायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यात remove करायचे. So again if you consider two elements are common, 1 and 4. So we have to remove these two elements. So you will get answer as 2, 5, 6. Now check here. That is containing set 2, 5, 6. Now just we have to perform their union operation. Now combine the elements from both these sets 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is the final answer. Have you understood now? आता समजले का कसं केलं question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to find out what is the concept of order pair and partition product. So this is the new part we are going to see. Order pair. So first we have to analyze what is the meaning of order pair. Pair means it will consist of two elements, and ordered means those two elements would be in fixed order. That's why this pair is called as ordered pair. Okay. So an ordered pair consists of two objects in given fixed order. An ordered pair is not itself consisting of two elements. The ordering of two objects is important. Okay. So here they have given the difference between sets and ordered pairs. Okay. The set मध्ये जर element असतील 1, 2, 3. Okay. आणि तेच जर आपण दुसरा एखादा set लिहिला 3, 2, 1. So here we can say that these two sets are same because the elements are same. In that set, we are not going to consider ordering for elements. But if you consider the concept for ordered pair, if there are two pairs, 1, 2, and second pair is 2, 1, these two pairs are not same. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
हाँ मैम बॅकग्राऊंड वाईज जास्त येतोय.
Disturbance होते का?
बॅकग्राऊंड वाईज जास्त येते मॅम.
जस्ट वन सेकंड. Okay. Sorry for disturbance. So here I will see what is the concept of ordered pair. So pair means what? It will consist of two elements and those two elements will be in fixed order. We cannot change the order of that element. Okay. So here if you consider there are two different order pairs x comma y and u comma v, then we can say that x comma y this is equals to u comma v if and only if x is equals to u and y is equals to v. So ordering between these two pairs is very important. Now, here one example is given. If you consider first order pair and that is containing two elements 1, comma 2. So this is not equals to order pair 2, comma 1 because though elements are same between these two pairs, ordering of these elements is not same because in first order pair 1 is a first element and 2 is a second element. But if you consider second order pair, here 2 is a first element and 1 is second element. That's why these two order pairs are not equal. Again, if you consider the second example, 1, comma 1, this is the first order pair and second one is 2, comma 2. So here neither elements are same nor ordering is correct. That's why these two order pairs are not same. Okay. So again consider the next one a plus b. But if you consider this for set, okay. So here set a comma b is given. So set a comma b. This is equals to set b comma a. This is equals to set a comma b. So for set it is fine if ordering of elements is not same. But in the case of order pairs, ordering of element must be same. That's why order pair A comma B, this is not equals to order pair B comma A. So this brackets represent, or we can say that those angular brackets represent here order pair. Okay. Again, order pair A comma A is not equals to set A. Okay. So have you understood what is the difference between sets and order pairs? Hello? Have you understood it?
मॅम रिपीट करा एकदा.
Okay.
मॅम अजून एकदा रिपीट करा ना.
Oh, sorry. Ordered pair. Ordered pair means what? Pair means element, that is two elements, and order means what? Those two elements would be in fixed order. Because either order pair आपण इथे consider केली 1, 2. Either order pair आपण second order pair वर compare केली 2, 1. So these two order pairs are not same. Why these are not same? Because elements are same, but ordering of these elements is different. If you consider first order pair, 1 is a first element and 2 is a second element. But in the second order pair, 2 is a first element and 1 is second element. This one, ordering of these order pairs is not same. That's why this is not the case with sets. Set मध्ये आपण काय बघितले? Set A, B. This is equals to set B, A, and this is equals to set A, B. Because repetition of elements is allowed there. But here, in the case of order pair, ordering of elements is must. Okay, that must be same. That's why this order pair 1, 2 and 2, 1 are not equal. समजलं का? ऑर्डर पेअर का म्हणतात? पेअर म्हणजे दोन एलिमेंट असणार आहेत आणि ऑर्डर्ड म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये फिक्स ऑर्डरिंग असणार आहे. पहिला एलिमेंट कुठला असेल, सेकंड एलिमेंट कुठला असेल. आता 1, 2 मध्ये 1 हा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आहे आणि 2 हा सेकंड एलिमेंट आहे. त्यामुळे जर तुम्ही ते एलिमेंट अल्टर केले 2, 1 दिले तर त्याचा मीनिंग वेगळं होतं. That's why these two elements or these two order pairs are not same. समजली का कन्सेप्ट काय ऑर्डर पेअरची? हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now next concept is order triple. आता triple म्हणजे काय? Triple means it will consist of ordered pair. So two order pairs would be there. So an ordered triple is an ordered pair whose first member is itself an ordered pair. Okay. That is given by ordered triple. So ordered triple can be written as in the first order pair x, y, z. So we have to see why this order pair is called as ordered triple, because here first element is itself an ordered pair x, y. This is a one order pair, z. So this is a another order pair. So this order pair is consists of three elements. That's why this is called as triple. Again, it is consist of first element as ordered pair itself. So now check here. First element is ordered pair. That's why this one is called as ordered triple. तीन एलिमेंट असणार आहे आणि त्या तीन एलिमेंट पैकी पहिला जो सेट असेल तो काय असणार आहे? ऑर्डर्ड पेअर असणार आहे. That's why this is a ordered triple. Now here again we can write if there is any ordered triple and that is consist of order pair x, y, z, this is equivalent to ordered triple whose first element is order pair u, v, w. Then we can say that these ordered triples are equal if x is equals to u, y is equals to v, and z is equals to w. This is given here. Then only we can say that these two ordered triples are equal. Okay. Have you understood what is meaning of ordered triple? Hello. Ordered triple का meaning समझले क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next concept we have to see is Cartesian product. Okay. So here a definition is given. Let A and B be any two sets, the set of all order pairs, such that first member of order pair is an element of A and second member is an element of B, is called as Cartesian product of A and B, and it is written as A Cartesian product B. Okay. So first of all, we have to consider Cartesian product is nothing but set of order pairs. In that order pair, first element is always a member of first set and second element is always a member of second set. So if you consider two sets A and B, then Cartesian product between these two is represented by A Cartesian product B. So here we can say that for any order pair x comma b, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So this is the meaning of Cartesian product. Cartesian product म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? Set of order pairs and the order pair कशा असणार? त्या order pair चा पहिला element हा पहिल्या सेट मध्ये असेल and second element हा second set मध्ये असणार आहे. So A Cartesian product B will consist of all such order pairs x comma y where x belongs to A. Now check here. This is the first element of order pair and that should be included in A, set A. And second element must belong to second set, that is in set B. Okay. Now here one question is given. If A is equals to alpha comma beta and B is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, then what are the values for this given? First one is A Cartesian product B. Okay. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं? We have to find out such order pairs whose first element is from set A and second element is from set B. Okay. Now consider first element from set A and that element is alpha. So how we can write the order pair? First one is alpha comma 1, then alpha comma 2, alpha comma 3. Now here we have to find out all such pairs whose first element is from set A and second element from set B. And this is related with only alpha. Now again we have to find out all such order pairs related to beta. So again we can write beta comma 1, beta comma 2 and beta comma 3. So this is the value for A Cartesian product. Now check here. This is the set of order pairs and where first element of each order pair is the element of set A and second element is element of set B. So this is the answer for A Cartesian product B. Have you understood what is the meaning of Cartesian product? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in this second example, we have to find out the value for B Cartesian product A. आता काय करायला लागेल? First, we have to consider set B and then set A. So, again we have to find out such order pairs whose first element is from set B and second element from set A. Okay. The set B चा जो पहिला element आपण consider केला 1. So we can write first order pair as 1 comma alpha. Next one is 1 comma beta. Okay. Now here we have done the processing for element 1. Okay. Now consider the second element 2 comma alpha, 2 comma beta. Now third element 3 comma alpha and 3 comma beta. So this will give you answer for B Cartesian product A. Okay. Now again next one is A Cartesian product A. So here we have to take Cartesian product of A with itself. Okay. Now first element is alpha. So we can write alpha comma alpha, alpha comma beta. Now consider the first element as beta comma alpha and beta comma beta. So this will give you A Cartesian product A. So likewise we have to find out what is the value for B Cartesian product B. So can you tell me what would be the different order pairs? Those can be included here. in B Cartesian product B.
So 1, 1, 2, 1, 3,
Okay.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Okay. And
Then 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3.
good. Very good. Correct. Now, in the next one, we have to find out what is the intersection between A Cartesian product B and B Cartesian product A. Now check whether anything is common between these two sets, A Cartesian product B and B Cartesian product A. No, nothing is common because here is order pair alpha comma 1, but in the second set there 1 comma alpha is there. So nothing is common. For order pair 11,
Shinde madam,
hello,
Shinde madam, can I interrupt you?
yes, yes.
Actually, IIC session is there.
When?
So, actually, the timing was 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Just now, I have got the call from Tigre sir. He is going to start that IIC session right now. So, I
Okay.
request you to stop the session.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Ah,
sir. No issue. Fine.
okay. All of you students, join that session immediately. I have sent that link to group. So, immediately join the session.
Okay. So nothing is common between these two. That's why we have written here. Fine. So today we are going to stop here. Remaining examples based on Cartesian product we will see in the next lecture.